Question 2, Mike Renzetti, Robotunits Inc. So how I think robotics in packaging will reshape is essentially with automation in general. It's been growing since the beginning of time. It's been getting faster and more intuitive, and there's so many different styles of automation and robotics being integrated daily into our lives. So in terms of packaging, how can we streamline things? How can we make them easier? How can we make them faster? For example, here, this is an actual robot that is taking a very simple task, but it's taking the pressure off of somebody having to do it. If you think about scalability, something as small as this versus as large as full automation of using a robot to do the biggest tasks that may cut down your staff, it may save you money, it may save you time, it may save your production floor the idea of human error. In reality, I think that robotics and automation as a whole is a never-ending enterprise and an ever-growing industry, and in terms of packaging, it's only going to make it faster, stronger, more streamlined. And for a company like us that works a lot with robotics and robotics integrators, we're nothing but supportive.